I am between Carver and Oregon City at the Baker Cabin historical site. This must be She Flies with Her Own Wings. Huh, that's me. Oh, Abigail Scott Dunaway. Well, heck yeah, girl. Alright, so this is a historical site, and there's an 8 posted guided tour we'll look at. Baker Log Cabin in memory of Horace and Jane Baker, who settled here in the fall of 1846. The log cabin was built in 1856. Baker established a ferry across the Clackamas River near here in 1872. Stone from his quarry was used on Oregon City locks and building in Portland, Oregon. And then looks like this rock was dedicated possibly July 18, 1948. What's my eye looking at? Self-guided walking tour starts here. I drenched my combat boots for hiking, almost fallen into a river for a geocache, so had to dig out my spares in the Jeep. Baker Cabin Historic Society, donate today. I'm gonna take a picture of that. It almost looks like a gallows, but it's got a heart. Interesting. Here is the church, and I'll get closer to it. Rope. Baker Cabin Pioneer Church. It was built in 1894 and originally stood a few miles to the south near the intersection. Moved to the site in 1967 and restored in the 1970 to 71 by the Baker Cabin Historical Society. It's got frosted windows, so probably can't peek in. German Methodist Church, 1894 to 1895. Wow. Church rentals and historical properties, wedding chapel. Yeah, not me, thanks. Okay, so let's go on. Still walking this tour, and we go to the other side here. I guess you can drive, no, you can't drive down there. I'm gonna walk it. I mean, it's just a walking tour. Those must be like the picnic tables you can rent, or with if you have something in there at the church. Baker site. So this is the Baker's water supply. Consisted of a hand-dug well located close to the cabin. Whoop, there it is. Hello? Oh, the handle's broke. But I'm not. I must be dry as a well right there. This is cute and cozy. With everything growing over it. I'm trying to get that sun out of there today, just. So this is the Baker Cabin. Horace Baker immigrated from Illinois. I was there just recently, along the Oregon Trail in 1846, and married fellow immigrant Jane Hatton in 1852. Horace Baker's house. Well, hello. You did a fine job. I am going to speak when and where I wish. No man will stop me. Heck yeah, girl. All right. All right, Marie Aqua. Dr. Marie Aqua. Here we are at the cabin. Welcome to the Baker Cabin. That's a lot to read. Along the Oregon Trail. History of basalt rocks and historic splitting techniques. Back side of the cabin. I'm proud of this. So, yeah. In appreciation of benefactor Royal Hatton, descent of Jane Hatton Baker. The mud wagon. Oh, that must be in here. Okay. Oh, it is hot today. It is hot today. Yesterday it was 95 or 98. And I went through Area Commerce. I went through Mount Hood. Wow, look at this stuff. What's grinding rocks? Native Americans understand and use this large for grinding acorn nuts. Oh, stone pestle. Found an acorn. I found it over here. Alright, so we're at the back side of it. Look for the carved survey X in the stone behind you, in which one of the original boundary markers. Baker Cabin Historical Society, and it is right there. How cool is that? They would have to chisel and hammer all at that.